Astro. So today we're going to work on a traveling shimmy, but you're going to be staying in place. So what do I mean? You're going to take your shimmy up and down your body. So you're going to have that kind of traveling shimmy. Okay, you're going to start off with your knee shimmy. Add the hips. Then you're going to do a reverse undulate up. Shoulder shimmy. Take it slower. Undulate down. Okay, so ready? Back up. Here we go. 5, 6, 7, 8. So from the side, knee, and hip, roll. You'll notice I'm letting my butt wiggle a little bit as I come back down, so the transition is a little smoother. Here we go. Make the transition between here and here, the less kind of like start off movement you need of your hip. So for example, if I take it very slow and I roll it down, you'll notice I'm starting to let my hips go a little bit and slowly get into the shimmy. Otherwise you'll have, and then it's gonna look disjointed. Okay? So for that seamless transition, it really does depend on the pace of your traveling shimmy going up and down the body. So if you go faster, go up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down. Okay, so you want to work on your pace, transition between the two, but the order of which it goes up your body and down is knee, layer your hip on top, reverse undulate up into a slight nice lift into the shoulder if you want the lifted look, otherwise just go up into the shoulder. On the way back down, it's shoulder, undulate down, hip on top of knee. Alright? So practice that pace. Practice your transition. So you're going to have to let go of a little bit of isolation here to keep this moving. You'll see that my hip is slightly twisting. And then I slowly go into a hip shimmy. Okay? So play with that, see what works for your body. Every body type is different, so keep that in mind. It won't look the same on you as it does on me, and it won't look the same on me as it does on you. So make sure that you're getting your shimmy to look how you want it to look. However, there is the technique behind it. So make sure that you are coming up the body and then back down. Alright? So, this is Samantha with the Inner Dancer, giving you your weekly belly dance drill. Check me out at bellydancingclassesonline.com. And if you haven't already subscribed to our YouTube videos, please go ahead and do so. Thank you for your support if you already have. And also, Romy and I are fantastic instructors, according to you. So, like, we love hearing feedback from you, and we have an amazing time doing the online classes. So definitely subscribe to them. They're at a great monthly rate.